Ladies and gentlemen, God taught me the communication skills, made me a better man, and gave this wonderful opportunity to serve my community, all through this dynamic personality. Sir, I thank the Lord daily, 5 times a day, for He appointed you to be my mentor, my teacher, my trainer. This banner here says that you've touched the lives of 1 lakh people. Let me tell you, sir, you've not only touched the lives of 1 lakh people, you've changed the hearts and you've changed the lives of millions and billions of people across the world. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. I'm Ramiz Wadood. I'm studying engineering at Jamia Hamdard University in New Delhi. I'm presently working as an assistant trainer at English House Academy. Ladies and gentlemen, I remember a few months ago, I often used to be the center of jokes amongst my siblings, for I was not able to frame sentences in the proper way. And I'm not talking about English language, I'm talking about my mother tongue, Urdu. A lot of times, my way of delivering a few words used to ignite laughter amongst my siblings. But then I realized this is not the way I want to speak anymore. So I turned to Lord and I asked Him to teach me how to speak in a way that people would listen. Little did I know that He has already accepted my prayers. He has already planned everything. So He gave me this wonderful opportunity to attend a 40-day personality development workshop that Munawwar sir conducts at India Islamic Culture Center every year in New Delhi. Friends, all I asked God was to enhance my communication skills. But what I found after the training was so much more than English grammar and pronunciation. I found myself to be a focused individual, to be a person with positive mindset, and a man with purpose. The education that Zama sir imparts through his personality development workshop is what every student needs today. We all have been given lectures on moral values and discipline and truthfulness at some point of our lives. But the ones who give us lectures, the long lectures, do not practice what they preach. Munawwar sir is one of the very few individuals I've come across in my life who actually practices what he preaches. Surely he gives long lectures on moral values, long speeches on character development. But what I believe is that Munawwar sir has taught us more by his actions than his words. His compassionate nature, his dedicated spirit, and his dynamic personality has taught us more than any lecture could ever teach us. Ladies and gentlemen, after I finished my training in July, a lot of values that I inculcated from Zama sir, there's one value, there's one thing that I'd like to say a few words upon. Through his lessons and more importantly through his actions, my heart developed a new purpose of life. And that purpose is to serve the community, to serve the people of this country, serve the human beings in any form I could. And again, I turned back to the Lord and I asked Him religiously to make me capable of serving the community. And to my surprise, He answered my prayers this time as well. Before this workshop at Orient Taj Hotel, Zama sir asked me to be a part of this training. And he honored me by appointing me as an assistant trainer at English House Academy. And today I've been assisting Zama sir for about 21 days. Yesterday, Zama sir gave me an opportunity to teach 40 nurses at Efforts Institute of Nursing. I went there yesterday and I taught the nurses basic lessons of English pronunciation after I gave a short lecture on the life lessons that I've learned from Zama sir. Ladies and gentlemen, God taught me the communication skills, made me a better man, and gave this wonderful opportunity to serve my community, all through this dynamic personality. Sir, I thank the Lord daily, 5 times a day, for He appointed you to be my mentor, my teacher, my trainer. I pray to the Almighty Lord that He blesses you with amazing health, wealth, and wisdom. And I pray that you live a long, lovely life so that you continue to change the hearts of millions and billions of people across the world. This banner here says that you've touched the lives of 1 lakh people. Let me tell you, sir, you've not only touched the lives of 1 lakh people, you've changed the hearts and you've changed the lives of millions and billions of people across the world. And I pray that you continue to change the lives of millions and billions of people around the world. And there is a Urdu couplet written by one of your students that goes this way. इसमें तेरे छुपा है तेरा मकाम व मर्तबा, इसमें तेरे छुपा है तेरा मकाम व मर्तबा, कर दिया इंग्लिश से तूने मुनव्वर ये सारा ज़मा.